Dude, I gotta get home. God, sucks. Before the freaking Nazis took over, I could just walk through and get home in 15 minutes. Now I have to go around. It's gonna take me 2 hours. I'm screwed. If I sneak in and I don't get caught, I'll be fine. I'll be home in 15 minutes and it'll be okay. But if they catch me, I have to be hung. I guess I have to sneak in. Just gotta climb under this gate. Okay, there's no guards. Just gotta stay calm. I think we'll be okay.
You wanna get some schnoz off the gun?
I can't. I have to go take my wife to the hospital.
Man, it used to be cool. What happened?
I got married.
Man, you know what? Fine.
Fine, we'll go get one Schneider.
Schneider! 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 Hamburger! Hamburger! Schneider! Führer! Führer! Schneider!
This guy sure likes Schneider. I wonder what this leads to.
Schneider!